Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer from Metamask to Bybit. For that, first of all you need to launch your Metamask app, and here you need to select that particular coin which you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer Ethereum from my Metamask account. So since Ethereum is based on the Ethereum main network, I have selected Ethereum main network, and you need to make sure that the associated network is selected for the coin that you want to transfer from Metamask. So over here you need to tap on Ethereum and scroll down a bit and select the send option. After that, it will ask you to provide the address. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Bybit mobile application. Then tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner. After that, select the deposit option and select deposit crypto. Over here you need to use the search bar in the top and search for Ethereum. Then select ERC20 network for the transaction. After that, it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy the address from here, then come back to MetaMask and paste the address in this section. After that, you need to press next. Then you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer, and here you need to press next. After that, it will take some time to show you the end amount and the gas fees. So you just have to simply tap on the confirm or the submit button in order to initiate your transaction from MetaMask. After that, once your transaction is completed, you will receive your crypto or your coin or your money from your MetaMask account to your Bybit account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.